Hello everyone, my name is Gabby and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan egg salad or vegan eggless salad, vegan tofu salad, whatever you want to call it. Also, I wanted to say that my plan is to put out other cooking tutorial videos for a few recipes that I've come up with or that I've discovered and then altered. So coming up, I will be making the best vegan cheese sauce recipe that I created. Okay, so let's do this. You're gonna need a block of firm tofu or extra firm. You're gonna need some carrots, either baby carrots or full carrots. You're gonna chop these up. You're also gonna need a sweet onion or any type of onion, and that's gonna get diced as well. You're gonna need veganase. You're also going to need cilantro, nutritional yeast, and some other flavors as well. You can use garlic. Did I say turmeric already? Whatever. Garlic powder, onion powder. But basically, so start off with this block of extra firm tofu. I try to squeeze out some of the water. I wash my hands, so I'm going to cut about a little bit more than a third, about a third of the block of tofu. And then I'm going to squish this with my hands into the pan. Oh, another thing that if you have at your house, if you want to use it, it'll help the recipe a lot, is black salt. It actually has a sulfurous flavor and smell. I'm gonna add turmeric. So this is what that looks like. Here's my turmeric. I'm gonna add that. And so this is black salt. Sprinkle like a good amount of this. Since I bought reduced fat veganase, I might actually add a little bit of oil to the tofu mixture when I heat it up. Normally, I don't use oil to cook tofu because I don't find it necessary. I'm actually gonna add more of this black salt. I changed my mind and I just shredded all of the tofu. In the past, when I made this, I usually just chop up the other half of the tofu to make it look like egg whites, but I realized this didn't do much for the flavor, and I'm all for flavor over presentation. So I squished the rest of the tofu in here, which means I'm going to have to add a good amount more turmeric, as well as I'm going to add more onion powder, probably more black salt, but again, you can totally skip that step, you don't need it. I'm also going to add some, I think, parsley as well, and maybe some garlic powder and regular salt too. And that's pretty much all that's going to go in the tofu. You're going to cook that until you start seeing some browning, and then you're going to let it cool. Okay, so I've cut up approximately one small sweet onion, and I actually took some out just because I wanted the carrots to kind of be similar in amount. So this is what that looks like. You can see it's a pretty even mix of carrots and onions. Now I have some fresh cilantro. Added some mushroom powder, mushroom seasoning. It's from Trader Joe's. A little bit of that to here, and mainly I use that for umami flavor, but it also has black pepper in it. So either way, add like a little bit of black pepper, or just a little bit, maybe like half a teaspoon. Yeah, probably half a teaspoon. You can add more to taste. I'm just not a huge fan of black pepper personally. Okay, so I cut up some fresh cilantro, so I'm just gonna add that straight in here. I have fresh chives, which is actually, I have dried dill, which I'm gonna add, and then I'm also gonna add these fresh chives. They're very thin and flimsy. It's a very small plant that I have. Yeah, it smells good. I might add actually like a little bit more. So we'll cut that. There you go. Scoop as much of that as I can. Beautiful. Now that I have all of that in here, I'm gonna pull out grab the tofu. I'm gonna pull out nutritional yeast. Another thing you're gonna need is apple cider vinegar. Again, this one's like not 100% necessary, but I like to have it. Okay, so we're gonna add in a couple big tablespoons of, it's not really a tablespoon, it's like a lot bigger. Maybe that's like 4 tablespoons of my veganese. And again, this is some reduced fat veganese. Just trying to make it like 1% healthier. Okay, so we're gonna add in like a capful of apple cider vinegar. That is about it. That's all how much I want to add. And then we're gonna throw in some nutritional yeast. And I just like sprinkle this in, probably like 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. We might add more. It depends on how I'm feeling today. Okay. And then I'm gonna add in, so I'm just already gonna add in like a little bit of dill weed. This is just dried. I have my tofu. I'm just gonna drop that in. Let's start mixing it. One thing to note is that this tofu salad has a lot more veggies in comparison to tofu, and that's another ratio you can change. I just really like the texture variety on the sandwich when I'm making it. Alright, it's mixed. Well, it tastes pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit more veganese. It's good. I think I'm gonna add some paprika, because why not? Not smoked paprika, just regular paprika. Anyway, I think that's pretty much all I'm gonna add. It tastes very delicious. So, final showing. Tofu egg salad. It's a very simple recipe. You can make it in like 20-30 minutes depending how fast you can chop. Yeah, anyway, this is customizable. Like I said, you can do whatever you want. I usually make a nice sandwich on like whole wheat bread, multigrain bread. Toast the bread, then add some mustard, add this salad, and then you can add a tomato, add some sprouts if you have them, and it makes a delicious sandwich. Who knows if this is going to be in focus or not, but thanks for watching. Again, my name is Gabby, and I will be posting more vegan recipes to come. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna go, because I realize like I'm just killing time right now. But yeah, goodbye.